Hi friends, we are so happy that you are today with us, and right now we will show you how to contact Instagram support. So if this topic is needful, let's go to the watching. At the first step, we need to open our Insta, and before we will go to the settings, I need to say that it's very cool that you will take a screenshot where you can capture this problem you are going to talk about in a letter, because it's very cool and help you to describe in detail about the trouble which is going on right now, and to explain your trouble in a right way. So right now I will take a screenshot as an example. Okay, so my picture is saved to the gallery app, and right now let's go to the settings. To the needful settings you have to choose to contact with the support. So when we are on the profile page, we need to pick on the three lines icon at the top bar of the screen and select the first option, like settings. After, let's tap on the help section, and we need to choose the first option, report a problem. Later we need to choose the reason why we are going to contact with the support, and I will use the second option, like something isn't working. On the period bar, we need to explain and text a letter where we will explain what is the trouble and what we want to fix on our account. I have my text right now here, and we can also, as I said before, add our taken screenshots using the gallery app. So we can take a screenshot right now using this first button, but I will click on the next one, and as you can check, this is the latest picture I have made. Later, when I tapped on it one time, I need to choose the down option at the top. And also I can add some multiple pictures after going on the same section and using another image, but I won't do this. And after, when your letter is done and you are really sure about your text, you need to pick on this send feature at the top. Let's tap on it one time. And as you can check, we have the notification that our letter right now is uploaded, and we need to check some time before the answer. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was short but useful but needful, and right now you know how to contact with the Instagram support that can help you to solve your problem with account. So guys, don't forget about likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we will talk about the Instagram and other applications. Have a nice day, goodbye!